Hi everyone, today we are in Vanantara Estates farmhouse. It is located in Schoolagiri, Tamil Nadu. Today we are fixing Equision EcoSense 8MP camera. In this EcoSense camera, we have day-night vision along with inbuilt mic and speaker. When some intrusion will happen, this camera will give with notification and alert with siren and light also. This is external siren. Today we are going to integrate this siren with this EcoSense camera. We'll show you the output. It will give notification to surveillance in mobile also. This is Hikvision 4MP ColorVu IP camera. This will cover the entrance and some garden part of this open area. This EcoSense camera we are going to install here. Camera fixing done. After fixing the camera, we have to take care about angle rotation and angle adjustment.